Empty your cup is a phrase that comes from Zen Buddhism and is often used as a metaphor for the process of learning. The idea is that when someone comes to learn something new, their mind should be like an empty cup, open and ready to receive new information without preconceptions or biases. This concept encourages one to let go of prior knowledge and be open to new perspectives. In other words, it's a call to humility, to approach learning with an open mind and a willingness to let go of what we think we know. The metaphor of an empty cup is often used in Zen Buddhism to convey the idea that the mind should be open and receptive to new ideas and experiences. When a cup is full, there is no room for anything else to be added, and it becomes difficult to gain new knowledge or perspectives. Similarly, when our minds are full of our own preconceptions, biases, and fixed ideas, it can be difficult to learn and grow. The idea behind emptying your cup is that we should let go of these fixed ideas and approach new information with an open mind, a willingness to learn and grow, and a humility that acknowledges that we don't know everything. By doing this, we can learn more effectively and gain new insights that might have been hidden from us before. In Zen Buddhism, the practice of emptying the cup is often linked with the idea of beginner's mind, which refers to the idea of approaching each new experience or challenge with a curiosity, openness, and eagerness of a beginner rather than the preconceptions of an expert. The beginner's mind is free from past experiences and judgment, allowing them to approach new situations with a fresh perspective. They are open to new possibilities and are not constrained by the limitations of their previous experiences. The practice of emptying the cup is not just limited to Zen Buddhism, however. It's a concept that can be applied to any learning situation, whether it's in the classroom, on the job, or in everyday life. By letting go of our preconceptions and biases, we can approach new information with a sense of curiosity and openness. We can be more receptive to new ideas and perspectives, and we can be more open to change. One of the most powerful aspects of the empty your cup concept is that it helps us to let go of our ego and our need to be right. In many cases, our preconceptions and biases are rooted in our ego, and we can become attached to them in order to protect our sense of self. When we approach new information with an empty cup, we let go of our ego and our need to be right, and we can be more open to new perspectives and ideas. It's important to note that emptying your cup is not about discarding all of our prior knowledge and experiences, but rather it is about letting go of our preconceptions and biases. We should still hold on to the knowledge that is useful, but we should be open to the possibility that there may be other ways of looking at things. In conclusion, the practice of emptying your cup is a powerful concept that can be applied to any learning situation. It encourages us to let go of our preconceptions and biases and approach new information with an open mind and a willingness to learn. By doing this, we can learn more effectively and gain new insights that might have been hidden from us before. It is a call to humility, reminding us that no matter how much we know, there is always something more to learn, and that the most profound insights often come from those who approach new information with a sense of curiosity and humility.